This is Wetzel, and I'm setting a new feature update on the Speak. And it's been a while. I'm recording a video talking about a feature, so I'm very excited about this. We have already launched. You might have came across. It's called Magic Prompt, which is your predefined prompt, which you can ask to your analyzed audio, video, or any text data from the predefined list of prompts. So, for an example, you can create the top action items. You can create a bullet list of summary from 30 hours, 1 hour long conversations, and so on. But the exciting piece here is you can write your own prompt now, which is like up to 100 characters. You can write your own prompt if this doesn't make sense from the list of the drop down. And we talk about is like why would we limit the customer of the Speak to select from the pre-defined prompts? Rather, everyone is creative and they should write their own prompt to define what they're looking for. So just an example, I have this thing. Let's say, tell me the top 10 keywords from the transcription, because this is like a short video, and you can see a short it's like please be detailed with your prompt, so the large language model can understand what you are looking for and create the valuable outcome. And the process is same. Once you click on the submit, here it is, like upload video file. And this is, I think, so the video about how to upload your first file. So I guess everything makes sense. And you also can easily copy to clipboard and just use it anywhere you want to. But there's another piece which is like, you know what, I also want to see the history where I have created the prompt. So it's much more easier to go back into the history and the prompts. And it's like, okay, what I have done before and what is new. Or you can just track the list of the prompt you might create. So we are very excited about allowing people to write their own prompt. And this could be a lot of value which you can create through what you think through when you upload or analyze, or might be looking through the any transcription or any text notes. Hope this also useful, exciting as we are. So if you have any questions around Magic Prompt, send us an email or let us know, or let us know via app or just give a try. Hope you will enjoy, and thank you so much for watching this video.